Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back in my channel. I hope you like my channel, so subscribe my channel with the bell icon. Thank you so much. Learn web development 7 basic steps for beginners in 2022. Launching a career in web development can seem almost overwhelmingly tricky. There are countless languages and tools to learn. For a beginners, even figuring out where to start learning can seem difficult. But in practice, the process probably would not be as complicated as you think. Once you have an idea of what skills you need to have as an entry level web developer, you will be able to build your acad- academic foundation in short order. Want to know how to learn web development? We're here to help. This article is for anyone interested in entering the web development field of looking to grow their existing skill set. It will cover some basic terminology, web development specializations, and the tools and skills you will need to develop and manage website. In other words, it will walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your career. Let's get started. Why learn web development? In short, job potential. Web development is a quickly growing profession. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics forecasts 8% growth of web developer jobs between 2019 and 2029. Web developers can freelance of work as internal employees within a company, and many work remotely. In short, it's a great field for anyone who values professional growth and learning opportunities. Skills covered in these tutorials: HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL databases. 7 steps to learn web development. We are going to go through everything you need to learn about the fundamentals of web development, from the nitty-gritty details of how websites work to high-level design concepts. Web Development 101. How do websites work? At the most basic level, websites are collections of files and code stored on a server which is connected to the internet. You access a website by loading it through a browser, e.g. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, also known as the client. This pair constitutes the server-client model. Let's consider how this works in action. Let's say your friend sends you a link to a funny video. When you click on the link, your web browser, the client sends a request to the video website, the server asking for the video file. The website's server receives the request and sends the file to your computer. The client side and server side are referred to as the front end and the back end, respectively. Front end web developers focus on a website's client side functions, while back end web developers focus on a website's server side development. Full stack developers work with just that, the full stack of development technologies, and have mastery of both front and back end technologies. Understanding the difference between each can help you decide which of the three you would like to specialize in during your career. Now let's cover the difference between front end, back end, and full stack web development. What is front end development? Front end developers create the content you see when interacting with a website. This includes visual elements such as menus, buttons, and animations that can execute on a client's machine. Front-end developers use three primary languages: HTML to create a website's structure, CSS to change how a website looks, and JavaScript to create interactive elements. What is back-end development? Back-end developers work with the server side of a website. This involves managing web servers, interacting with databases, and using data analysis, all of which are functions the user does not see when interacting with the site. Back-end developers may also use data-focused technologies like SQL and Python to manage a website's functionality. What is a full stack web developer? Full stack developers are experts in the full stack of website related technologies. If you are wondering how long it takes to become a full stack developer, don't worry. Stepping into this this versatile role is easier than you might think. With a full-time boot camp, dedicated tech enthusiasts can accumulate job ready skills in as little as 3 to 6 months. That said, those who prefer the comprehensive and formal degree provides should be prepared to set aside 4 or more years for their education. I hope you understand what I am saying and what I want to share with you. So please subscribe my channel with the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please share it. Thanks a lot. Okay, Allah Hafiz.